So Ben, why don't you tell me about Ben's setup for the TT today?
Okay, I've got Ben Jacques-Maynes TT bike here. He's going to run full aero gear. We have a head disc on the back. The EC90 TT. It's a 90mm profile wheel. And it has the faired axle, which is it's a real narrow flange hub with a fairing on the axle. You know, very purpose-built time trial stuff. So, other than that, it's just a standard Campy 10-speed. We put on for Ben a 58 tooth chainring because there is a pretty good descent in the course. So that's sort of one of the special things we did for him for today. But other than that, it's, you know, Campagnolo stuff, speed plate pedals, all the Pinarello most bars and stems and everything. So that's the rig he's rolling today. So that's it.
Thanks, Ben.
Yep, thanks, Len.